How to hide Snap to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap on the option for memories that you can see on the screen. You'll be able to see all of your snaps over here. Long press on the snap that you would like to add to My Eyes Only. Tap on the option More that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Hide Snap My Eyes Only that you can see at second. You'll have to set up My Eyes Only. Tap on the option Quick Setup. Enter the passcode over here. Confirm the passcode. Tap on the option I understand that if I forget this passcode, Snapchat won't be able to recover my passcode. Tap on the option Continue. Once you do that, tap on the option Finish. Now that particular snap will be added to My Eyes Only. Like this, you can add Snap to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.